A startling health alert tonight from city and county authorities. They've noticed a sharp spike in syphilis cases, up 59% just this year. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease, and they urge anyone who's sexually active to get tested. Oftentimes, people don't notice the symptoms like painless sores, so it goes untreated. The CDC says this mirrors a trend nationwide.
After decades of declining STDs, in recent years, we've been sliding backwards.
Failing to treat syphilis can lead to infertility, rashes, stillbirth, and increased risk of HIV.